So here we have the BMW 320d Sport Touring M Sport Shadow Edition, automatic on a 67 plate. I'm going to start showing you around the outside of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside, the Shadow Edition gives you these darkened rear glass. That would normally be kind of a clear colour base at the back here. Instead it's the dark one. Same with the rear lights. You also have titanium coloured exhaust pipes rather than the normal aluminium ones. Let me start off by moving down the side of the car. You can see we have the M Sport alloy wheels, tinted windows at the rear as well. We'll start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. Okay, so the tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that by pressing the button on the tailgate itself or the button at the bottom of this key. Give that a push and the tailgate will open. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we've got reversing sensors, those darkened exhaust pipes that I mentioned before, and plenty of boot space as well. Also, we've got 3 individually folding rear seats. So we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see that it's a great looking car and it's in excellent condition as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get full leather seats. There's loads to run through on the dashboard of this, so let's hop in and we'll do it right now. Okay, so now they're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the far left hand side we have the fuel gauge, we then have the speedometer, followed by the rev counter, and then the coolant temperature gauge on the right hand side. You can see the total miles on this car are 8,784. You can change the information displayed above that by pushing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various different bits of fuel economy information. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we have cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right hand side we have stereo controls as well as voice activation. So that's both for the phone and the satellite navigation. Hit that button and simply speak and the car will do the rest for you. It's very simple and easy to use. In fact, there's a video showing that working on our website with regards to the BMW satellite navigation video, so have a little look at that one. The paddles here, the plus and minus, are so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox should you wish to. If we move over into the central screen just here, so this is where you'd pair your phone amongst other things. So we're on the main menu at the moment and you can see I'm moving around various different things. So phone, for example, is just there. This car's also got satellite navigation. All that movement that I'm making, it's all being done using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial. I'm turning that to go through the options. You can then select things by pushing it down. This also moves to the right, left, up and down as well within various menus, or you can just go directly to certain menus from here. So we've got satellite navigation highlighted up on the screen at the moment. Give that button a push. Again, there's a video showing this working on our website as I mentioned, but you can see it just there on the screen. Full colour map. Again, really easy to use. Just use that dial for absolutely everything. In terms of music on this car, first of all, with regards to the radio, you can see we have DAB radio, FM and AM. This car has a CD player. You can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, and it has a USB input as well, so plenty of ways to listen to your music. Working our way down, you can see the CD player just there, followed by dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the temperature on the driver and passenger sides. Fan speed up and down from here. Hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or hit auto, and the car will maintain those temperatures for you by taking control of the fan speed, which you can hear it doing now. You can override that at any point in time you wish to, like that, or by pressing auto again. This car's also got a heated front passenger and driver seat as well. We then have the fully automatic gearbox. Beside that, we can change the car from sport mode to Eco Pro. We can also turn off the traction control. So if we put the car in sport mode, for example, it will make the power steering firmer. It makes the accelerator pedal react quicker to what you do as well. It just gives it a sportier feel. We then have the iDrive system, which we've been through already, and in the central armrest, the USB input. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.